the discussion. Manjit, what do you think? Was there anything in there that you wanted to pick out, or another issue that perhaps we haven't covered?
Sure. I thought it's quite interesting, Dave's view of, we really need to kind of think about that customer first. I mean, my experience of using chatbots for doing really simple stuff like, give me my PAT code on my mobile phone or something, super easy. And I kind of don't expect much interaction, much dialogue around it. It's quite functional. It's quite transactional. Yeah. But as an example, my recent example of trying to open a business bank account for a new project that we were doing, they kind of used the chatbot as an excuse to hide behind, because the messages kept coming up. We're super busy. We don't have enough people. Volumes of bank accounts has increased dramatically. Use the chatbot. Well, most of the time the chatbot wasn't available. Secondly, it could never actually answer the question. So I kind of equated that to employing an untrained, stroppy teenager and putting them into my call center, because that chatbot with that particular bank did as much damage as having a stroppy person on a call center doing. So my view is, I agree with Dave that rather than thinking, we need to reduce the number of calls, can we use a chatbot to do that, to solve the internal problem? We should really be thinking about what's the consumer, what's the customer wanting to do, and is this the right tool to help solve that problem, or maybe use it as a filtering tool.